All right, buckle up, because today I'm counting down the most what did I just watch moments in Formula One history, the ones that made the rulebook sweat and the internet explode. Let's go. Number 10, Monaco 1992, Mansell versus Senna. Mansell pits late, comes out flying, and spends 5 laps glued to Senna's gearbox. No DRS, no mistake, just pure defense. Number 9, 2016 Monaco. Where are the tires? Daniel Ricciardo is on for the win, dives into the pits, and Red Bull literally doesn't have his tires ready. That sigh you hear? It's every Aussie on Earth. Number 8, 2003 Brazil, aquaplaning chaos. Cars skating off everywhere, random leaders, a TV crane in the gravel. Giancarlo Fisichella wins, except he doesn't. And then he does, after a post-race correction. Peak F1 confusion. Number 7, 2011 Canada. Button's last to first miracle. 6 pit stops, a drive-through, a crash with his teammate, rain delays, and he still snatches the win on the final lap. That plot twist had plot twists. Number 6, 2019 Hockenheim, the slippery slide GP. Mercedes in retro livery celebrates 125 years and spins into a disaster. Safety cars, offs, Kvyat on the podium, and a stadium that turned into an ice rink. Chef's kiss chaos. Number 5, 2020. Sakir, George Russell's heartbreak. Steps into Hamilton's car, dominates, then a pit stop mix-up puts the wrong tires on. He claws back, gets a puncture, and loses a win that felt guaranteed. I felt that in my soul. Number 4, 1998. Spa, the Demolition Derby. 45 seconds of pinball in the rain, the biggest multi-car smash in F1 history, and somehow the race restarts like nothing happened. Only in Spa. Number 3, 2005 United States, the 6-car Grand Prix. Michelin can't guarantee safety for the banked corner, so 14 cars peel into the pits on the formation lap. 6 cars start. The crowd goes nuclear. A whole sport embarrassed in one afternoon. Number 2, 2008, Singapore, Crashgate. A deliberate crash to trigger a safety car, a teammate handed the win, and months later the scandal detonates. The fallout rewrote careers and trust. Number 1, 2021, Abu Dhabi. The restart heard round the world. A late safety car, only certain lapped cars waved through. 1-lap sprint decides the title. One radio message turned a championship into a courtroom. No matter your colors, that finish redefined WTF. Rapid fire honorable mentions. 1982, Monaco's musical chairs finish. 1994 and 1997 title deciding collisions. 2007, Spygate and that $100 million fine. 2020, Bahrain, Grosjean's fireball escape that stunned everyone and showed how far safety's come. And yes, Baku doing Baku things. Here's the wild part. Every season still finds a new way to break the internet. That's the magic and the madness of F1 impossibly precise humans, flirting with chaos at 300 kilometers an hour. Tell me the moment that made you yell at your screen. Drop your pick in the comments, I'm reading everything. And if you want a deep dive on any one of these, say the word, I'll make it happen. I'll see you on the next lap. Don't blink.